World War II Overview. Subscribe. Universal Tutor. World War II, often abbreviated as World War II, was a global conflict that lasted from September 1, 1939, to September 2, 1945. It involved the majority of the world's nations, including all of the great powers, eventually forming two opposing military alliances, the Allies and the Axis powers. World War II was one of the most devastating and widespread conflicts in history, with far-reaching consequences that shaped the course of the 20th century. Causes and origins. The origins of World War II can be traced back to a combination of factors, including the aftermath of World War I, economic instability, nationalism, territorial disputes, aggressive expansionism by totalitarian regimes, and the failure of the Treaty of Versailles to prevent future conflicts. Key events leading up to the war include the rise of Adolf Hitler and the Nazi Party in Germany, the expansion of Fascist Italy under Benito Mussolini, and the militaristic actions of Imperial Japan. Major participants. The main military alliances were: Allies. 1. United Kingdom. 2. Soviet Union, joined the Allies in 1941 after being initially invaded by Germany. 3. United States, joined the Allies after the attack on Pearl Harbor in 1941. 4. France, after its liberation in 1944. 5. China. 6. Many other countries. Axis powers. 1. Nazi Germany, led by Adolf Hitler. 2. Fascist Italy, led by Benito Mussolini. 3. Imperial Japan, led by Emperor Hirohito. Key events and fronts. World War II was fought on multiple fronts across various theaters of war. 1. European theater. This included the war in Western Europe, the Eastern Front, between Germany and the Soviet Union, and the Mediterranean theater, where British and Allied forces fought against the Axis powers. 2. Pacific theater. This involved the conflict between Japan and the United States, as well as other Allied nations, in the Pacific Ocean and East Asia. 3. African and Middle Eastern theaters. These theaters witnessed battles between Allied and Axis forces for control over North Africa and the Middle East. Major battles and campaigns. 1. Battle of Stalingrad, 1942-1943. A pivotal battle on the Eastern Front where the Soviet Union successfully defended the city against a massive German assault, marking a turning point in the war. 2. D-Day, Normandy landings, 1944. The Allied invasion of Normandy, France, which marked the beginning of the liberation of Western Europe from Nazi control. 3. Battle of Midway, 1942. A naval battle in the Pacific that weakened Japan's naval power and shifted the momentum in favor of the Allies. 4. Battle of the Bulge, 1944-1945. A major German offensive in the Ardennes region that was eventually repelled by the Allies. End of the war and consequences. World War II ended with the unconditional surrender of Germany on May 8, 1945, VE Day, followed by the surrender of Japan on September 2, 1945, VJ Day, after the dropping of atomic bombs on the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki by the United States. The war resulted in an estimated 85 million fatalities, significant destruction of infrastructure, and immense human suffering. The Holocaust, in which 6 million Jews were systematically murdered by Nazi Germany, stands as one of the most heinous crimes in history. The post-war period saw the emergence of the United States and the Soviet Union as superpowers, leading to the Cold War, a period of ideological and geopolitical rivalry that lasted for decades. Additionally, efforts were made to establish international organizations like the United Nations to promote peace and cooperation among nations. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.